I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to calculate the cover dimensions of a book, whether it's an ebook, a paperback, or a hardback. So you head onto your browser and you type Amazon Book Cover Calculator. So the next thing you are going to do is you click on it. So generally, before you create your book cover, you must have certain informations about your book. You must know the type of book you want to make, the number of pages and other things. These are the things that Amazon is going to ask you so that they can give you the specific size of your book cover. So the first thing you want to do is that you come to this binding type. Binding type means whether it's a hardback or a paperback, right? I'm still going to show you how to do the ebook, but it's either a hardback or a paperback. So when you come to hardback, if you are using paperback, let's start with paperback. You click on paperback, and the next thing is that you want to check the interior type. So there are three different interior types. There is the black and white interior, there is the premium color interior, and there's the standard color, right? So when you go to your back end, whatever you want to do, generally I use black and white interior, so I'll just click on black and white interior. But if you are doing a colored book, you need to choose whether you're using standard or premium, and the difference between the both of them is price actually. So for black and white interior, you put your black and white interior here. Then you now go to your paper type. So there's cream paper and there's white paper. So for me, I prefer using white paper. So depending on the kind of book you are making, you can decide to use cream paper, but I'm using white paper when I'm making my own books. So I'm going to click on white paper. After that, next thing is reading direction. This is very tricky sometimes. Sometimes I even used to, conflict it. So left to right, it depends on how the people read. There are some people that read from right to left, or books that are from right to left, and there are some books that are from left to right. So you can use left to right, right? So left to right, that's the reading style. So you move from your left to your right. Then the next thing is your measuring unit, whether you're using inches or millimeters. So personally, I prefer using inches. So I'm going to click inches. Now the next thing is your interior size. So this now depends on the interior size you are using for your book. So if you are doing a coloring book, for example, you can either use 8.5 times 8.5 or 8.5 times 11 inches. So whatever you use for a book interior, that is the dimensions of your book interior, that is what we are going to have here. Let me assume that I'm using 8.5 times 11, right? So I click on this 8.5 times 11. Now, the next thing is the number of pages that are in my interior, right? So the number of pages that are in my interior. So if my interior has about 120 pages, I'll just write 120 pages here. When I write 120 pages, the next thing I will be asked is to calculate the cover dimension. So if you come here and you click calculate the cover dimension, automatically the cover dimension has been calculated for you. And as you can see, for the full cover, my width will be 17.52 and the height will be 11.25, right? So that's how it's going to be. Remember that this is for paperback. So you come here, the next thing you're not going to do is now download template. You see this download template here, you click it, download template. So it's going to download the template for you. After it has downloaded the template for you, you just open it here. You come to your files here. So when you download it, it will come as a zip file. So you have to extract it, right? So when you're extracting it, just click extract here. When you finish extracting it, you're going to get two types of documents. The first one you're going to get is a PNG file, which is like a picture. Then there's now a PDF file, which is more of like a document. So when you are done downloading it and you open the file, you realize that, okay, this is the back cover. This is what the front cover, right? And this video is not for margins and whatsoever, but just make sure that whatever you are writing, whatever text that is on your cover doesn't touch this line, this color, right? Make sure that the text doesn't touch the color, and make sure that if you are going to write anything on your spine, make sure that it doesn't touch this colored side, right? That's the only thing I'm going to tell you. Then at this barcode side too, make sure that nothing comes on this barcode except you already have your own barcode, and you can put your barcode here. But if you don't have a barcode, whenever you're putting anything on your back cover, don't put anything here, because that is where they're going to put the barcode for you, right? So this is for your paperback, right? So let's go for your hardback now and see how it's going to be. So when you come back to your Amazon cover calculator, I'm still going to use the same details, right? So I'll come here and I'm going to change the binding type, which is hardback. Your interior type will now be black and white. Paper type will be white paper, left to right again. Then your inches, then select the interior size. Now, depending on whatever you are doing, for me, if I'm doing a coloring book and I want a hardback, I'm going to pick 8.25 times 11 inches. So I'm going to just click 8.25 times 11 inches. Then I'm still going to leave it at 120 pages, and I'm going to click calculate for me. This is how your cover is going to look like. The dimension for the width will now be 18.534 times, which is the height, 12.412, right? So all you have to do here is to come to your download template. When you click this download template and you finish downloading, you just open the file, extract. Remember to extract what you are doing. So this is how your cover is going to look like. So this is your front cover for your hardback, and this is what your back cover for your hardback, and this is what the spine. So you can obviously see that you are not supposed to put any text or whatever on this particular side that is colored, because this is the part that they are going to cut when they are actually printing your book out, right? So, and for your spine, make sure you don't write anything that comes into that colored line. So if you want to now create your ebook cover, there's a standard for it. You don't need to do any of those calculations, right? So Amazon already has a standard for it, which if you come to their website here, they wrote it down here. So let me bolden it so you can see what they wrote. So your dimensions for your cover is 2,560 pixels for the height and 1,600 for the width. So this is what you are going to use for your dimension when you are doing your cover for an ebook. So just go to the software you are using, whether you're using Canva or you are using Photoshop or Illustrator, InDesign, any of the software that you are using, just put this, then you now create your ebook cover, right? So this is all you need to do when you are coming to calculating your ebook cover. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed to the channel. So if you want to know how you can properly upload your book on Amazon from the beginning to the end, whether it's an ebook, a paperback, or a hardback book, you can watch this video here where I show you exactly how you can upload your book on Amazon in 2025 and actually reach more people through Amazon.